Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation and check your result. And the given equation is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation and how we can check our result. The question has given us here this equation. The question has given us here this equation 4z plus 3 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Question has given us this equation 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So guys, and question is asking us to do two things here. Question is asking us to do two things here. One is solve the equation and this other is check the result. So there are two things that the question is asking us to do. One is solve the equation and the other is check the result. So guys, let's see how we can do all these things one by one. Now, question has given us 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Question has given us 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Or I can write, or 4z plus 3 minus 2z is equal to 6. What I am doing here? I am just moving this 2z here to the left side of the equation. That means transposing plus 2z from left hand side to right hand side. Just transposing or moving plus 2z from left hand side to right hand side. And guys, we very well know that if we move a number from one side to the other, its symbol changes. If it is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. So for that reason, the positive 2z, it became minus 2z. And what we got? We got 4z plus 3 minus 2z is equal to 6. So we got 4z plus 3 minus 2z is equal to 6. Or I can write 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. What I am doing here? I am just moving this 3 to the right side of the equation. That means again I am transposing plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So that means I am moving this plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So it became negative 3. And what we got? We got 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. Or I can write 2z is equal to 3. How? 4z minus 2z is 2z, 6 minus 3 is 3. Or I can write 2z divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. What I am doing here? I am dividing both the sides, dividing both sides by 2. Why I am dividing both sides by 2? I want to eliminate this 2 from z so that I can get the value for z. I want to remove this 2. If I want to remove this 2, I need to divide this 2 by 2 so that I can eliminate this 2. If I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So for that reason, I am dividing both sides of this equation by 2. Now, what we got? We got 2z divided by 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Or I can write z is equal to these 2 and these 2 cancels out. So z is equal to 3 divided by 2. So what we got? We got z is equal to 3 divided by 2. Now guys, this is our answer. This is our answer for the first part of the question. We got z is equal to 3 divided by 2. This is our answer for the first part of the question. Now guys, let us look into the second part of the question. The second part of the question says that check the result. The second part of the question is asking us to check the result. Now, let us check the result. Now, in order to check the result, let us rewrite the given equation. So 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. First of all, we will check the left side of the equation, and then we will pick up the right hand side of this equation. We will check individually, and we will find out what we are getting for left hand side and what we are getting for right hand side. So left hand side is 4z plus 3, that is equal to, I can write 4 into the value of z is 3 divided by 2. That means that this is what we got here. So what we got, z is z, 3 divided by 2 or 3 upon 2. So 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So what we got, 2 3 is 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. What we got? We got 9. Now let us check the right hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation says 6 plus 2z. So that is equal to, I can write 6 plus 2 into 3 divided by 2. That is equal to 6 plus 3. How 3? These 2 and these 2, it cancels out. We are left with 3. So what we got? We got right hand side of the equation as 9. Now guys, you could see that we got the left hand side of the equation as 9 and the right hand side of the equation also is 9. That means thus we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.